Hi there, how are you doing? Welcome to the class. So we will continue what we have already started in the previous episodes. We are going to learn some vocabularies and also some grammar from the book The Zahir by Paulo Coelho. So let's get into it. So the police began a formal investigation. The police began a formal investigation. So begin መጀመር ነው። the past form of begin is began. So ፖሊሶች formal investigation ወይም ምርመራ ጀመሩ። various theories which means different theories, different ideas, የተለያዩ ሀሳቦች were put forward ተቀምጠው ነበረ። the first one is kidnapping ምናልባት ታግታ ሊሆን ይችላል። blackmail means ምናልባት ሊያስፈራራት የሞከረ ሰው ሊኖር ይችላል። a kidnapping that had ended in murder መጨረሻው ሞት የሆነ murder is ሞት so a kidnapping that had ended in murder መጨረሻው ሞት የሆነ እገታ none of which were beyond the bounds of possibility given that in her search for information her work brought her into frequent contact with people who are linked with terrorist cells so የትኞቹም ያለመሆን እድል ሊኖራቸው አይችልም ምክንያቱም in her search for information እሷ መረጃ ስትፈልግ in her search for information her work ስራዋ brought her which is bring the past form of bring is brought so her work brought her into frequent contact with በጣም በተደጋጋሚ frequent contact with people who are linked with terrorist cells ከሽብር ቡድኖች ጋር ግንኙነት ከነበራቸው ሰዎች ጋር መረጃ ፍለጋ በጣም ስለምትገናኝ ነው ኪድናፒንጉም ብላክሜሉም or kidnapping that had ended in murder እውነት ሊሆን ይችላል they discovered that discover becomes discovered so they discovered that ያወቁት አንድ ነገር discover means to find something in her weeks prior to her disappearance means መጥፋት so prior means ቀደም ብሎ so ከመጥፋቷ ሳምንታትን አስቀድሞ regular sums of money በጣም በተደጋጋሚ ተመሳሳይ መጠን ያለው ገንዘብ had been withdrawn from her bank account ከባንክ አካውንቷ withdraw ሲደረግ ነበር so it was a process in the past which is past perfect had been withdrawn from her bank account those in charge of the investigation in charge means to be the leader of something so those in charge of the investigation የምርመራው መሪ የነበሩ ሰዎች ነው የምርመራው መሪ የነበሩ ሰዎች felt that feel becomes felt የተሰማቸው that this could have been payments made for information መረጃ ለማግኘት የተሰጡ ክፍያዎች እንደሆኑ ተሰምቷቸው ነበር we have a structure could have been this means they are just thinking that it could be like that in the past but they are not sure she had taken no change of clothes with her ምንም ተቀያሪ ልብስ አልወሰደችም okay but ሆኖም oddly እጅግ በጣም ግር በሚያሰኝ ሁኔታ ግራ በሚያጋባ ሁኔታ oddly her passport was nowhere to be found ግን ፓስፖርቱ የትም ሊገኝ አልቻለም so if she didn't take any clothes how could her passport can't be found so የሆነ ቦታ ሄዳለች ፓስፖርቱ የትም ሊገኝ አልቻለም ለምንድን ነው we are talking about her passport so was nowhere to be found it's a passive action he's a stranger እሱ በጣም እንግዳ የሆነ ሰው ነው very young በጣም ወጣት ነው with no police record ምንም አይነት የፖሊስ ሪከርድ የለበትም with no clue as to his identity ምንም አይነት ፍንጭ የለም ለማንነቱ so clue means ፍንጭ and identity means ማንነቱ አይታወቅም she is Easter እሷ ደግሞ ኢስተር ናት 30 years old 30 ዓመቷ ነው the winner of 2 international prizes ሁለት ዓለም አቀፋዊ ሽልማቶችን prize is a ሽልማት so the winner of 2 international prizes ሁለት ዓለም አቀፍ ሽልማቶችን ያሸነፈች በምን በጆርናሊዝም she is a journalist ጋዜጠኛ ናት and married እናም ባለትዳር ናት and she is my wife so we will continue the story next time Yeah, so we learned about some words. You can rewatch the video to understand about what we talked and also the words. Have a great time. See you on the next one.